We'll talk about risk groups, test and control of hypertension. We'll discuss about risk groups, किन्हें उच्च रक्तचाप हो सकता है. Sedentary lifestyle. A person with sedentary lifestyle is at 20 to 50% greater risk of developing hypertension. आराम तलब जीवन शैली कारण बन सकती है जिसमें 20 से 50% खतरा बढ़ जाता है हाइपरटेंशन डेवलप होने का. Overweight is another reason. An overweight person is at 2 to 6 times higher risk of developing hypertension. Third one is hereditary, that is vanshanugat. If one parent has hypertension, the children are at 30% greater risk of developing hypertension. लेकिन अगर माता पिता दोनों को ही हाइपरटेंशन है तो बच्चों में ये रिस्क 40% तक बढ़ जाता है. आइए जानें हाइपरटेंशन का पता कैसे चलता है. Blood test to identify diabetes, high cholesterol levels and defects in the function of kidney. Second test is urine test. It is done to find out diabetes and the condition or damage to the kidneys. ECG, electrocardiograph. It measures various changes in the heart. Next one is chest X-ray for testing the enlargement of the heart or the aorta. Now comes the very important section of this clip, that is controlling hypertension. कैसे बचा जाए या फिर कैसे इसको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. There are two ways to control hypertension. First one is bring change in the lifestyle and second one is take the help of medicines. Lifestyle changes. One can reduce systolic pressure by more than 10 mm and diastolic pressure by more than 7.5 mm through changes in the lifestyle alone. Weight reduction. Nearly 2/3 of overweight people with mild hypertension can control their BP by losing about 50% of the excess weight. One important thing is one should not lose more than half to 1 kg weight per week. Salt restriction is effective in about 60% people to control hypertension. Regular physical activities contributes reduction in BP by 5 to 10 mm. Walking 30 to 60 minutes for 3 to 5 times a week is a good exercise for controlling hypertension. Avoid alcohol, more than 60 ml of whiskey, 240 ml of wine, 720 ml beer per day. BP rise to abnormal level if quantity is larger and BP will come down if one reduces alcohol intake. We can try relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation and reducing mental stress help controlling hypertension. Please see the already added video on stress management in the channel Psychology Simplified. Second way is medicines. Medicines are required if you belong to one of the groups of mild hypertension not controlled by the lifestyle changes followed for 3 to 6 months. अगर आप mild hypertension में हैं और जीवन शैली में बदलाव लाने के बाद भी 3 से 6 महीने के भीतर नहीं कंट्रोल होता है, then you can take medicines. Next is moderate hypertension, or you are in severe hypertension or isolated systolic hypertension, then medicines may be required in order to control the hypertension. Very important, please do not self-medicate. It is dangerous. Consult to a doctor or a specialist before taking medicines. We'll see a series of photos regarding quitting smoking. After quitting, body begins to recover within 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, BP and pulse rate drops to normal. After 8 hours of quitting smoking, carbon monoxide level in the blood drops to normal. Oxygen level in blood increases to normal. After 48 hours, ability to smell and taste enhances. सूंघने और चखने की क्षमता बढ़ जाती है 48 घंटे के बाद. Between 2 to 3 weeks, blood circulation improves, lung functions increase up to 30%. Between 1 to 9 months, cough, fatigue and breathlessness decreases. Hair-like projections in the lungs grows and therefore dust, bacteria, etc. are removed more efficiently. After 1 year, excess risk of coronary heart disease is half than of a smoker. After 5 years, lung cancer death rate decreases by almost half. Risk of cancer of the mouth, throat and food pipe reduces to half of smokers' risk. After 10 years of quitting smoking, lung cancer death rate is similar to that of a non-smoker. Risk of cancer of the mouth, throat, food pipe, bladder and kidney decreases. After 15 years, risk of heart disease is that of a non-smoker. क्लिप को देखने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. And please don't forget to comment for inclusion of new topic of your area of interest. Thanks.